Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Amazon Associates links after a website change step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Amazon Associates links after a website change, log into your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the Reports section on your dashboard. Select the Link Builder tool to access your existing affiliate links. Identify the links that need updating due to your website changes. Copy the original URLs of the pages that contained the affiliate links. Go to the page or post on your website where the links are located. Edit the content to replace the old links with the original URLs you just copied. Visit Amazon's product linking section to create new links. Search for the products you want to link to in the search bar. Once you find the product, click on the Get Link button. Choose the type of link you want, such as text or image. Customize the link if desired and copy the new HTML code provided. Return to your website editor and paste this new link into the appropriate location. Review the changes to ensure the links are functioning correctly. After all links have been updated, save the changes to your website. Test each link by clicking on them to confirm they direct appropriately to the products. Monitor your affiliate reports in your Amazon Associates account to track performance. With these steps, your Amazon Associates links should be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.